608066.
Yes, yes. Best feeling in the world is taking these bad boys off. Oh my god. What's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great morning, afternoon, evening, whatever time you're watching this video. Today is Friday. It's about that dang time. We finally got off. It's about 11:30. Got up super early today, and I'm about to head down to South Carolina, and we're gonna be meeting Alex, aka That White Bow Tie, JW Montoya, and Bryn Price, and we're gonna be going to the Sicgear Truck meet this weekend. So, hope you enjoy the content. Hope it's a great video for you guys. Hope you, all you new subscribers, thank you so much for watching the channel. Thank you so much for supporting me. It really means a lot. And if you haven't already, click the bottom right of this video. Hit that little subscribe button. It really means a lot. It's going to help the channel out in the long run. It's going to help me out in the long run. And I really appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much. And without further ado, let's roll the intro. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. That gives me a good amount of energy because I am freaking tired. But we're on the way to Sicgear Truck right now. Alex, JW, get ready. We'll freaking see you in about 5 mother freaking minutes.
Hold down. I didn't latch it right whenever I'm holding the seat back down. I'm too lazy to fix it. But hey, it makes good access to the amp. It's on roof. It's nice leather. It wipes. Okay. Obviously, you gotta have 4-wheel drive. Yeah, that's it for interior. You got gas. I know, gas trucks. Gas, right? Gas trucks. God, gas. That's like so 2007. Right. So, we got built custom headlights by who I don't know. We got color match stuff everywhere. Metallic black. Ignore the paint peeling. Just also ignore the dead bugs. I got halos in the headlights, but I don't know how they work. So that's. Are you sure this is your truck? Look, it's kind of new, okay? You genuinely don't know like how to turn them on. I do not know how to turn them on. Have you tried on like the turn on button?
Actually, technically, mine's the same. I have color changing LED bulbs in the front of mine, and I don't know how to make it work. So.
Look, you got cognito leveling, yeah, dirt bike in the back is great price, you know. Exhaust to it. I don't know. But look at these tail lights. They're gnarly.
Jeffy's.
This is from Canada? You're an idiot?
No, I'm really not. I just haven't got that taken out yet.
I don't know who built it. Don't ask. Favorite part on the truck, by far, is going to be the color matched bumper with the metallic black and blue.
I do like that.
Other than it really sucks to stand on it because you take the risk of chipping it. But there's a lot of flaws, okay?
We all have our
over
flaws.
here. We got a big old scratch in it when they shipped it down to the dealership.
Nice.
Yep, so I gotta get some stuff repainted.
It's a love scratch right there.
Perfect.
They're somewhat new. They lasted about a week.
Burnouts?
Yeah, something like that. It just has so much power, you know, you can't keep the traction to the ground.
Spin it at 120 easily.
So we got
The Duramax. So much taller in person. Look at it. So cute.
we got Duramax 6.6 motor.
We got an engine in here. That's awesome.
Yep, we got a cold air intake.
Sounds just
Tunes by who does my tunes? No, it was custom motor off tunes.
I think it's here somewhere.
Keep fucking hating.
Cover because I dropped one of the bolts down into the engine bay somewhere, so it's gone. Yeah, it's pretty basic. This is like dynoed at 500 flat.
Quintessential YouTuber. I mean, it looks so good, but
it's a rag, dude. It's clapped out.
Is yours phenomenal?
Clapped out. Stupid clean. Then we got the man and the myth and the legend. Let's get this bread, ladies and gentlemen.
Get this bread.
Channel will be right here.
Link in the description. Go subscribe to my man, okay?
Yeah, nah, go subscribe to him, bro. He's way cooler.
All right.
What's going on, everybody? That's my man JW right here. I'm sure half y'all are already subscribed to him. If you aren't, coolest subscriber down south.
Subscribe to him.
It is what it is. But he's got his sweet Denali HD, and we're gonna give him the spotlight so he can tell us exactly what's going down with it.
Dude, I'm kind of getting nervous.
Oh, don't do it, don't do it.
Yeah. Alright, it's a 2011 Duramax. Put you on the spot. I just got the 7-9 the boys lift. The front is set at 8 inches. The back is still at like 7. We got the traction bars, powder coated, goldish copper. We got the reservoir shocks. We have the cognito, not cognito. We have the boys up control arms, powder coated, same color.
We're trying to get some video in there before a bunch of people show up and music starts playing.
We got the 22x12, 22x14 hostile wheels.
Love those.
Yep, 375x45 NATO trail wrappers. Yeah, so these are like 15 inches wide, 35 inches tall. But I am getting new wheels and tires like next week.
All right. How you like the CP4? You got the CP4 upgrade, right? Or the CP3?
CP3.
So CP3 upgrade. You like that? Is it the 10 millimeter?
No, just a regular.
Just regular? All right.
Yeah, I didn't. It would be too tempting if I got like 10 millimeter. Then I would.
Yeah. Transmission's holding good to that though?
Yeah. I don't dog it really.
Yeah. No doubt. Is there any color matching under the hood, like the powder coats for the stuff, right?
Under the hood is blue.
All right. It's just the intake. Yeah, if you don't mind. Just the intake elbow and whatnot. Love the headlights. If I'm not mistaken, you got these built like last week, right?
Yeah, I got them built last week.
Those look sick. There you go, Screaming Diesel Performance. You got a Y bridge as well, or just the? All right, yep, just the Y bridge, the coolant hose, and what else does he have? Oh, he's got the CP3 upgrade in here. Yep. Said it runs amazing, sounds amazing.
The EGR, the Y bridge gets rid of your EGR.
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna give you some cinematic shots, everybody. That's JW's truck. This thing is freaking amazing. Super huge in person. What's going on, everybody? This is Alex's rig, aka that white bow tie. He's right here. He's also got the 355 or 375, excuse me, with hostile. These 22x14s, right? Yeah.
22x14.
Yeah. Give him a follow on the Instagram as well. Nice silver Silverado. You gotta go with it. And he's rocking the McGoys as well. Just got some stuff powder coated not too long ago. And as usual, let's get this bread, his famous saying.
He's saving my life.
What's going on, everybody? My baby just made it. What's up, dude? You already seen him last video. You seen him last video. What's up, everybody? It's Jeff Co right here. Got the hard ass full runner right there. Oof. It's actually getting a little bit more packed. You already know the deal. Oh my god, every time I'm talking, you already know the deal. Who's pulling up over there? And if I turn the camera around, you're gonna see it is FJ Dory as usual. Every single time I am talking, he's always pulling up. Like I said, it's getting more packed and packed as we come along. We got this nice classic car right here, or truck right here. We got a GTR over there, sick built Tundra so far, beautiful platinum. Massive two-wheel drive right here. Braden, JW, Mark right here, and it's getting more packed as we speak. So I'm gonna get with y'all soon as we get some more people up in here. So we're gonna just give you a nice little roll around with everybody coming in. I'm gonna show you a decent little amount of trucks so far. There's actually a Duramax on 4G autos right here. I still gotta show you all that. That thing is freaking sweet. So I'm gonna show you that right there, and I'm gonna get with you as soon as we get some more things coming in. Mr. Horny Man. Oh my God! Almost first try. All right, that's all we need. That's all we need is just one try. What's going on, everybody? Get a little nice little subwoofer test. We got an 18-inch scar in the back, freshly built by Christian Ellis. Damn, my tool's dead. All right, let's see what this is.
He's not ready, bro. He's about to slap, bro. I'm telling you.
I'm about to die.
He's about to
No,
die.
it's really not. It's not.
Smelly?
A little bit.
Let's rage!
Okay.
Smidgen. That's not me.
Check out Wrappable. They're in Chapin, South Carolina. Sweet wrap job. So the whole overlay is yellow, got the carbon fiber lip, and then this is all a wrap as well, design. Sounds sick. Go check them out. Look who just showed up as usual. Every single time I'm at a truck show or truck meet, he always shows up every single time. Josh. Every single time. It's for sale. If you know anybody who has enough money to buy this thing, it's for sale. Wow. Perfect. I'd buy it, but I'm broke.
Do you know Tyler Rogers? Say, oh yeah, that one's over there. That one.
Another one bites the dust. Congratulations, baby.
Clean truck.
Clean truck gang. Didn't even clean it though. Like
For the bread gang. That's what's for that. I want to thank the bread gang and the academy, my mom, and my beautiful girlfriend, and the loaves of my two little young loaves of bread at home. Do everything for you guys.
the end pieces. The end pieces.
I do this for the end pieces.
Where's that?
I do this for the end pieces. Thank you guys.
608066. 608066.
Yes. Yes. On camera. Hammy! That's all day. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful.
That's a really good burnout.
Winner speech, let's hear it.
Shout out to JW for the blue tickets. Shout out to the little girl for choosing the blue ticket. Loose Auto Parts. I got 2 hats today.
And bread.
Thank you, Ham Fam. I love y'all.
Ham fam.
And the 2 end pieces.
The 2 end pieces.
Alex's 2 end
Gotta show love to the end pieces.
Still a good bit of people out here. We won 2 hats, got some free decals and stuff. Awesome turnout, awesome turnout. Shout out to JW for putting it on Sicgear Truck meet. Definitely be out here next time. But I'm about to head out of here right now and hopefully find a pool because it is hot and humid. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you do, drop the channel, like and subscribe, click the bottom right hand of the channel. It means a lot to me. Support the Ham Fam. That's going to be the new thing from now on. And without further ado, peace.
Oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to